I just want to provide a brief update to you in terms of where we're up to with the coronavirus here in Conwy and some of the effects it is having in our community locally. You will know that over recent days there have been reports of Conwy being under review by Welsh Government because what we have seen in September is a steady increase of the number of cases of COVID-19 in Conwy. To put this in perspective, throughout all of August there were around 20 cases, positive cases of COVID-19 in Conwy. So far in September, around 3 weeks in, we've seen 75 cases of COVID-19 here in Conwy. That does mean that we are looking at around 25 cases per 100,000 people in a 7-day period, which is a trigger point for Welsh Government to monitor the situation here in Conwy. I want to assure you that our track, trace and protect teams will do a huge amount of work to support anybody who has a positive case of COVID-19 and to support those who may have been in contact with anybody with a positive case. This will help ensure that the virus does not spread far at all, but of course we can all play our part in looking to prevent the spread of COVID-19 in our area and keep those numbers at a low level as possible. So our track, trace and protect team are doing a huge amount of work. We're working closely with Public Health Wales and the Welsh Government and to monitor the situation here and to try and keep those levels at a low position as possible. As far as the services that we provide as a local authority, and we're still doing huge amounts of work in terms of the services we deliver. Our schools are fully open, as you will know. Our social care work is taking place. Our libraries are open. Our leisure centres are open as well. They just may feel and look slightly different to what they had looked like in the past. This is because we're doing everything that we can to try and prevent the spread of COVID-19, whilst also trying to provide those services that you need in the community that you live in. So thank you for all you're doing in adhering to regulations, adhering to guidance to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. I really believe that if we keep working hard together here in Conwy, we can keep that number to a lower level as possible.